Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and with popular features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.